How do I know that dinosaur bones are completely ridiculous and dinosaurs are not real? Well, I'll tell you one thing. I know that because there is not one real dinosaur bone in a museum anywhere, and we buy them primarily from China. They're chicken bones that are ground up and cast into dinosaur bones and then sold all over the world. And that's a fact. Number two is because if you look into the dinosaur bone wars in the early 1900s, you'll realize that they were just two knuckleheads fighting over dinosaur bone findings. The whole story is ridiculous. When you look into it, you'll see that. Number three is because the very first dinosaur bone that was ever found was actually first identified as a giant bone. And then about 200 years later, somebody said, nah, that's not a giant bone, that's a dinosaur bone. And that's our first ever dinosaur